Good morning to everyone. This is M. Jagdish. My topic is what is the difference between angle and bearing? B. Explain objectives of surviving. Angle versus bearing. An angle is a measurement of the amount of rotation between two lines, typically measured in degrees. Bearing, on the other hand, is the direction of one point from another point, as is usually expressed as an angle relative to a reference direction. Your third bullet, angle versus bearing count. Angles are measured in degrees, minutes and seconds, while bearings are measured in compass direction. Angles are used in geometric calculations, while bearings are essential in navigation and surviving. Your third bullet, importance of understanding angle and bearing. Understanding angles and bearing is crucial in surviving to accurately determine the direction and position of points on the earth surface. A survivor must be proficient in converting between angles and bearings to create precise maps and plans. Incorrect interpretation of angles and bearing can lead to errors in construction, navigation, and land development projects. Objectives of surviving: to determine the relative position of various points on the Earth's surface, to create accurate maps and plans for construction, land development, and infrastructure projects, to establish boundaries, property lines, and legal descriptions of land parcels. Objectives of surviving: to monitor and measure changes in the Earth's surface over time, such as land subsidence, erosion, or tectonic movements, to provide data for geographical information system (GIS) and spatial analysis for urban planning, environmental management, and disaster response, to support scientific research in geography and civil engineering by providing precise measurement of the Earth's surface. Types of surviving: land surviving, focus on determining property boundaries, mapping land features, and preparing legal documents. Construction surviving involves setting out reference points and markers for construction project, ensuring accuracy in building placements and alignment. Geodetic surveying deals with measuring large areas of the Earth's surface to establish a Google reference framework for navigation, mapping, and satellite positioning system. Types of surveying: topographic surveying involves mapping natural and man-made features of a specific area, including elevation, vegetation, water bodies, and structures. Hydrographic surveying focuses on mapping underwater features and seafloor topography for navigation, marine construction, and resource exploration. Mining surveying provides accurate measurements for mine planning, mineral extraction, and environmental monitoring. Surveying equipment: total stations, electronic devices used to measure angles, distances, and coordinates with high accuracy. Global Positioning System, satellite-based navigation system for determining precise position on the Earth's surface. Leveling instrument, tools for measuring height differences and establishing elevations on a site. Surveying techniques, triangulation method for determining unknown distances or angles by forming triangles for known points. Trilateration, technique for determining position by measuring distance between three or more points. Remote sensing, use of aerial photographs, satellites, images, and LiDAR data to gather information about the Earth's surface for a distance. Conclusion, understanding the differences between angles and bearing is essential for accurate surveying work. The objectives of surveying encompass a wide range of application in land management, construction, mapping, and scientific research. Surveyors play a crucial role in shaping out built environment and understanding the dynamic nature of the Earth's surface. Thank you.